The requirements for TikTok Shop affiliates has changed once again, and I must pivot my strategies. The pace at which content creation and the ever-evolving landscape of e-commerce has been massively changed since the launch of TikTok Shop. I'm going to go over some of the recent TikTok Shop requirement changes and my thoughts moving forward. Let's get into it. So TikTok has once again changed their requirements on what it takes to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. And last month, they dropped that requirement to 1,000 followers to allow people to join TikTok Shop for affiliates. But they have now since brought that back up to 5,000. But you can still get in with 1,000 if you're selected for a creator pilot. And as far as I can ascertain based on talking to other creators, to still get in with the 1,000 follower requirement, it comes down to being very consistent in your posting and posting high quality content. That appears to be the default for getting invited into the program now with less than 5,000 followers. And as far as I can tell, you can still use the political video route as kind of a video hack to still try to attain your 5,000 followers. They haven't done away with that yet, as far as I know. So if you're still clamoring to get those 5,000 followers to get into TikTok Shop affiliates, you can still post Trump and Biden clips and make that follower count that way if that's the route you want to choose. I've also been told, and I don't know how much truth there is to this, that when TikTok switched back to the 5,000 follower rule from the 1,000, those who signed up through the 1,000 follower change back on May 16th or 18th, some of those creators have been losing their TikTok Shop affiliate permissions after this new switch. Like I said, I don't know how much truth there is to that. I know I still have my account that I signed up under the 1,000 followers. But what I've been told is that those who are losing their accounts under 1,000 followers are ones who have not posted consistently and have not posted any TikTok Shop content. Again, I don't know how much truth there is to that. It's speculation at this point. So if you guys know anything, or if you signed up under 1,000 followers and you've lost your account, leave me a comment below. Let me know what your experience is there, or whether or not you were able to keep your account. I'd like a little more information on that. That's why I say it's speculation at this point. That's kind of the rumor mill that's going around from other creators that I've talked to. So I don't 100% know if that's actually the case, but it's definitely something to look out for. If you signed up when they made the 1,000 count switch last month and you signed up under that, I am very curious to know if you have still kept your account and it's still active and able to access TikTok Shop for creators. There does appear to have been some recent algorithm changes within TikTok as well. Videos don't appear to be picking up the pace at which they used to and going viral in a very short period of time. Through a network of creators that I interact with, they're kind of seeing the same thing going on inside of TikTok. Videos and styles of videos that they used to post that would usually take off in a relatively short period of time are now seeming to slow down before they gain traction. 200, 400, 600 views over the course of a week before they start hitting 1,000 and 2,000 over the course of a month, and then really gaining steam. So if you're thinking some of your videos are flopping right now and you have a thought of possibly deleting them, definitely never delete a video, because every video is a potential digital asset that could gain traction over time and do wonders for your account. But with that, it could just be this algorithm change that's causing the so slow traction on some videos. If they look like they're moving a little slow, that may be the new algorithm changes that a lot of creators are seeing right now. And with those changes, TikTok seems to really be pushing live streams, particularly TikTok Shop live stream. Other creators that I know are finding great success doing daily live streams of 30 minutes to a half hour. And I just started doing these last week, and this is a part of my strategy change at this point. And I noticed when you start doing live streams, TikTok has a few requirements before they really like rip your live streams out to a mass audience. First, you have to get one video or one live stream over 30 minutes, then one live stream over 60 minutes, and 3 live streams on 3 separate days. It's kind of like, I guess, TikTok's own little way of like testing your live stream and testing the algorithm all together to know where to push your content to. But after 3 live streams, I noticed a massive change in the audience that was watching my live streams. And it was only maybe 30, 40, 80 people in those first few live streams. And by my fourth one, I was up to 1,800 total views, a couple new followers, and sold a couple of wallets as well. So right now, what I'm pushing in my TikTok lives is actually Ridge wallets. I've done work for Ridge in the past as a UGC creator, and I noticed that they just hopped on TikTok Shop. Because I have a plethora of their product, they're in TikTok Shop now. I thought this is perfect. I know the product. I support the product. I really like it. So that'll make an easy transition in starting to live streams with something I'm familiar with and a product that I stand behind, because I think that does truly make a difference in the quality of the type of content that you make. So in that time period, I posted a couple TikTok Shop videos, just standard videos. And with those live streams, I had already generated 5 sales in less than a week and $100 commission. It may not seem like a lot of money right now, but when you're first starting out on a fresh account, it does move a little slower and it takes time and consistency before you start to see those results. For what equates to about 2 hours of live or 2.5 hours of live streams and a couple of videos, $100 in commission isn't too bad. So as I start to slowly rack up higher quality, normal TikTok Shop videos that are essentially my digital assets to help grow in the future, backed up with doing daily live streams, I think we're going to see commissions like this double, triple, quadruple per day. And if you're finding value in this video at this point, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so YouTube knows you care. So I know for a lot of people, live streams can be a really scary thought, let alone just being in front of the camera. But with TikTok's current push for live streams, if you've been on the fence about doing TikTok Shop live streams, I think now is the time to jump on it while TikTok is really pushing these out. Once I made it to my 4th video after those few test ones, I noticed in the analytics after the fact, I wished I would have got a screenshot to show you because it tells you how your channel or how your live stream compared to others. And the analytics said that I got 100% more viewers than channels with a similar following. So that in itself kind of proved to me that, yeah, TikTok really is pushing live streams right now, particularly shop live stream. So coming back to it, if you're on the fence about it and don't know whether or not you want to do it or believe if you can do it, just jump into it and start doing lives. I think it's a very lucrative route in the TikTok Shop world right now. And if doing something like a live stream seems very scary and uncomfortable to you, I put together a comprehensive UGC coaching course that starts with camera fundamentals and comfortability and confidence in front of the camera. If you want to learn more about that and how to do UGC, my Calendly link's in the description and you can schedule a one-on-one coaching consultation call. So these are the new and recent changes that a lot of us have seen in TikTok and TikTok Shop and the requirements for getting into it as a shop affiliate. And I'll keep you guys updated on my tips, tricks, and strategies that I'm going to use going forward with TikTok Shop on the road to 10K. And any changes in requirements that I see coming out of TikTok Shop. And don't forget to check out this video here where I go over some tips and tricks on how to be more confident and comfortable on camera. Until next time, thanks guys.